Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga, the channel is Tell Me Better, and if you are still not subscribed, please consider to subscribe to this channel. It's about fashion. Just subscribe to my Instagram also if you are not still subscribed, or if you lost me, because recently my Instagram account was blocked, so now I have a new one, very small one, but I love it also a lot and I like to communicate with you there also. And today we are making a video about my jewelry collection. I had a lot of questions about it to make it for several years already, probably now, and I never could take this, just sit and find all the pieces to show it, but finally I'm ready to do it. And also we will make some unboxing because I have something new here in my jewelry collection, and probably I will start with it already. This is a brand which I'm working with first time, and this name is Shedaidyes. It's about jewelry, of course, as you understood, and I just got a package from them. Look how it looks. It's like packaged. We will see with you together what it is inside. It's we probably can, is it something for traveling? Probably. Like this is this bag. It's probably that you can take it with you. Then a small box. Also there is some certificates here. That was cute. So what did I got there? How do you think? What is it? So beautiful box over here with golden letters. Oh, I like it, how it looks here. By the way, do you like my new location here? I'm making a second video in my new closet, which I also want to make a video about if you're interested. And then we will open it and see. So I got a ring. This is a cute small minimalistic rings. This is real gold, and there are some small crystals on it. So I will just do it with you. I will cut this small, maybe I was supposed to try it first, but I think it should be good. We'll see in which finger. It's on my finger. As you see, it's very minimalistic ring with crystals. It's 100% gold. I will write you the link on this ring. I loved it so much, so I think it's so cute and minimalistic. You can have it separate like this, or you can have it together with your other pieces. I think it looks just beautiful. If I will get any discount code for you guys, I will write it. Oh my god, I love it so much. All the information will be in description box. I'm really happy to collaborate with that jewelry brand. It was really pleasant experience to work with them, and I will now have this ring in my collection. From today I will have it on me. You can have it like this also. I think it's really fashionable. Or I can have it on this hand also. Here on another hand I have some rings from my husband. This is my wedding ring, this one on the top, and this was a bigger stone, our engagement ring, and so they can live all together on one hand. Also I like how it looks like that, so it's a little bit more trendy. Also on this hand, as you see, my watch from Cartier. I decided to name this video like jewelry and watch collection together, because I don't have so many watches, but I will show them for you. For me it's also like pieces of jewelry which I use every day, and they also give some stylish vibe to your outfit. So this watch is from Cartier. They are in silver and gold together. It's the size small. They have also a little bit bigger medium and little bit smaller mini, but mini they don't have in two colors. They have them only in one color, gold or silver, and I wanted this version, and I think they're really nice. I also like watch to be a little bit loose. As you see, they are like hanging, so I consider them to be like a bracelet. The other thing that I got also recently, not so long time ago, is another brand which is called Italo Jewelry. I had them in one of the previous videos. I showed it to you. Here I have the beautiful earrings. I will come a little bit closer so I can focus it. As you see, also earrings with a crystal, and they are from silver, and also the same bracelet. I hope to focus this so that you can see it. It shines like a diamond. Yeah, I really love how it looks. I probably will not try everything on me, but you can see my other videos. By the way, my earrings on me is the small hearts. This is the present from my husband from the last Valentine's Day, and I love them so much. I never thought that I like hearts, but now as I got these earrings, now I'm like a little bit crazy on it. I look on everything else in the heart form. Now it's a little bit trendy. Also, you saw some hearts bags like hearts. I really want to find some nice heart necklace with a small heart on it. The next piece that I have is this ring from Hermes. It's a silver ring. I don't remember the name of it. It's probably called the small claws or something like that. And this one I have in another hand here. So I'm okay to mix silver and gold. For me it's not a problem. I think it's quite cool. Some rings are silver and gold together, and the watch also, so it makes me very easy to combine it, and for me it's not a problem at all. And I will show you my Van Cleef necklace, the black one, onyx. It's called Vintage Alhambra, and there is also a size Sweet Alhambra which is smaller, but I prefer this vintage. I love how it looks. This looks. By the way, all the clothes will be also in description box. Probably ask me where is this top from. This is Lily Silk from the last video. Check it out. I showed you many nice pieces and essentials for the spring. So like this it looks. Probably I will just dress everything on me. So this is one of my favorite pieces also. I use it very often. I don't really take it away when I go to shower. I know that some people do it, but I'm not so good in it, I would say. Not because I'm lazy, but because I want to have it life more simple. So sometimes I can forget and shower with it for a couple of days or a week, and then I will take it away because I want just to change and have something else on me. Nothing happened with it. So other necklace that I have is this cross with some small stones on it. I love this necklace, and I bought it for kind of 6 euros maybe in some store. I don't even remember. Yes, right, Super Dry store. I think it was from there. So it costed me just several euros, but it's so beautiful. This is just to want to have. What if I will have everything together? How it will look. The next piece that I will show you is this bracelet. Is this nail bracelet from Cartier, and I got it some time ago. Now I don't remember, maybe it was a year or more or two, and it's very easy to have it on me, to put it on and off. It's just easy piece. I don't sleep with it. In the beginning I was sleeping with it, but I find it quite uncomfortable if I lay on it, so it can hurt, so I decided to take it away every evening. But I have it every day on me. I have a lot of compliments about this bracelet, and people just who doesn't know the brand, they come to me and ask me and say, you have so nice bracelet, where is it from? Also, what I got compliments from is for this piece, which I also use very often. And this necklace is from Philippa Loretti. You probably saw it 100 times on my Instagram and on my previous videos. It's a little bit bigger, like necklace, the round piece here. It's a little bit more like chunky. I love it. You'll see probably they not necessarily, they don't go good together, but if you see without it, it's very chunky and nice. You can see it from far away. It is golden plated, so nothing happened with it. I've collaborated with this brand Philippa Loretti for maybe more than a year ago, and still they are my favorites. You know, when I get some pieces and they're really good quality, and I'm very happy that the brands of the highest quality contact me and collaborate with me, and then after that time I always use it and I always have it on me. I would probably never think about to look and purchase something like that, but now I don't know how would I live without it, because it goes for so many looks. And from the same brand, Philippa Loretti, I got these earrings. They're also a little bit chunky. I took them because they suit together, like a complete, and they are also gold plated. I don't use them very often because they are a bit more heavy, but I love them a lot, and they are when I have them, I don't use a big necklace. I like to keep it more minimalistic way, but I love the quality. I'm quite doubting about if they still have this necklace online, but I will try to find everything that I can and put it in the description box if they still have it. Should we continue with earrings more? This one are really old, my guys from Zara. They are a little bit like chunky. Discoloration happened here, but I don't throw them away because I just love how they look. They are like silver and golden color metal, and they are a little bit bigger, and I love sometimes for some kind of outfits. I think that they're really pretty. They are quite heavy, so I can't have them longer than 2-3 hours, but I would definitely take them in summer to some vacation when I want just to have in the evening some more chunky look, you know, maybe with some linen dress. It's very old Zara, so it's not possible to find them. And from similar ones I have another. Those ones are also quite chunky. They are from Arket. I just hope that my camera is focusing all the time because I sit quite far away, I don't see it. And they are like, you know, the longer version, and the smaller version is like this. The round version, they also like silver color, and both of them are like. They give just, you know, the simple look like that or like that. When I have this mood to have silver earrings, then they go good. Also have one in the golden color like that, and they started to be discolorated. I bought them in some store, like I don't remember, was it Vera Moda maybe, or Big Book, something like that. But I will definitely buy a new one, thinking about Arket, but in the golden color, but maybe size bigger. This I didn't decide yet, but I definitely need to renew this. This is just classical hoops, which I love. As we're talking about Arket, I have several nice necklaces from them here. There are 1 and 2 necklaces which are, they were popular in 90s or 2000s. Maybe you remember when I was a child, they were popular, these kind of necklaces which are so soft. They are golden plated, and I'm not sure if they still have them online. If I will find something like that similar, I will also put in a description box. I had them separately and all together. Each of them costed about like 60-70 euros, I guess, so it was a good price for golden plated necklace. Also from Arket I have this one. It's a choker. It looks like gold, like a piece of gold. I usually take it with me on some vacations. Oops, like that. So I can have it like this, or it's possible to have it like this when you have this opening. It's also cute. So I also like to have it like an accent, maybe without other necklaces, just to have it like this when I have some silk dress on my vacation, especially when you have some suntan, then it looks much more, even more shiny. One of my also beloved brands is Wellington, which I was collaborating with them. This is a golden plated bracelet. I'll keep it here. It's with white coloration and I love it. Also I have a matching earring. I'll put it on this hand. And the matching earrings, which I got from my son actually. It was his present for me. They're also matching, as you see. He bought them for me for some Christmas. I think it was last year Christmas. So now it looks like they're complete. And I love it. It's really beautiful also when you're suntanned with this white color. Here you can see the little bit letters, Wellington. I love this brand, it's a great quality. I also have a watch from them. Let's talk about my watches. I don't have so many, it's 1, 2 and 3 here. We start with this. So this Wellington watches, my like to-go watches before I bought the Cartier, so I had them every day on me, and I still feel a little bit sensitive feelings about them because I love them so much. They're so thin, so comfortable, you don't feel them in your hands. And I know many people said that, oh, everybody like bloggers talking about the Wellington. We don't like it, but I must say that it's really good quality, so I don't care about that everybody say. I still love it and I will use them again and again. Sometimes I return to them. Those watch I also got from the collaboration. It's the brand Philippa Loretti. Also, it's the same brand of this necklace, and I love the quality. I picked them, they are blue color and I adore them, and I love that they are silver hardware. They are also very comfortable and good. And those watch is actually from the brand Bulava. It's with some small diamonds there. It's cute and they are white. I love that all of them are different, so all of these watches I love. I almost forgot the very special piece. Those earrings were a present from my friend, and they are also gold plated. They are from the brand Missoma, and I love this brand. I actually must say that they are very good quality. I'm pretty sure you can still find them online. I will check it out, link for you. They're also hoops, but a little bit in square form and a little bit longer. They are really special for me because it's a present from my friend. This was basically everything that I use like every day, on everyday basis. I don't think that my collection is really huge, but also all the pieces I love, and I try to keep to minimalistic side. I'm trying to reduce the quantity of my closet, but those pieces are really special for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would be nice to read what you have. Maybe you share some. Thank you for your support one more time. Have a good day and bye bye.